Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Brianna, also known as BFTPOSTS, and today we'll be reviewing the new E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I will be doing a review and also a demo, and I will be comparing it with the original formula. So if you guys want to see how that turned out and as well as my thoughts, then keep on watching. Today's main topic of discussion is going to be the Hydrating Concealer. I'm just going to do a swatch test for you guys and compare it with the old formula, which I have used on this channel before. So this is what the two bottles look like. I'm just going to bring it closer. And on the website they did a comparison chart, so I'm just going to read it out to you. I really wish they had this comparison chart when I was buying the first formula, the 16-hour one, because it would have been really useful, but it's better now than never. So the 16-hour one, it has 26 shades. It's full coverage. It's for normal and oily skin, and it's very quick, like in drying. It's a quick dry. And then for the hydrating one, it has 25 shades. It's full coverage as well. It's for normal and dry skin. This one is normal and oily. This one is normal and dry. Drying time is time to play. I have no idea. I have no idea what that means, but okay. Looking at this right now, I can tell that this one is a bit. I feel like the 16 hours is a little bit lighter. I'm gonna do a swatch test on my hand to show you guys the color difference. So over here is the 16-hour one, and over here is the hydrating one. I think the hydrating one is darker, and already the 16-hour one just dried, and all I did was fetch to go get some water. So yep. Now, like, I don't want to be biased because I already have a well and informed opinion on this, and anybody who knows me by now knows I do not like this. So I'm gonna try to be equal. In honor of the new hydrating concealer, I thought we could do like a little soft glam look. I do have a soft glam look posted up on here on my channel. I could link it for you guys if you guys want to watch, you know. But today's soft glam will not be the same, but like soft glam, I've done it before, so I don't think I really have to do an in-depth tutorial. But yeah, in honor of this new hydrating concealer, today's category is skin, sweetie. We're gonna don't mind the pimple. I know you've been staring at it since the beginning, okay? Don't mind it, please. Please. Do you promise? Are you looking away? Thanks. So for primer, we're going to be using the E.L.F, if y'all can see that, the E.L.F Poreless Putty Primer. I want to have the same, like, what's it called? I want these concealers to have the same base, so it's not like, it looks bare when I'm comparing it. I usually apply a lot. It has like a white cast, so it kind of makes me look ashy. So I had to tie my hair back, but this is what we're looking. We're looking really flat. We're kind of looking scary, but let's get on with it. So on my right side, I'm going to be using the hydrating concealer. So here we go. Gonna apply a fair amount of it. And I'm going to be blending that with the E.L.F Beauty Sponge. The lighting probably has like consistently changed since I've been filming, and it's because the sun is out, just trying to ruin me. On this side I applied the hydrating one, so on this side I'm going to be applying the 16-hour original. This one dries down really fast, and as you can see I'm running out of it. So although I didn't like it, I still used it because I'm not wasting my money. feel me? I'm taking the e.l.f. beauty sponge. I'm going to be taking the Makeup Shack one, so I just don't get these two confused with each other, and then one concealer goes on the other side, and it wouldn't be a fair review. But yeah, and for my nose, I'm just going to be using the hydrating one, because my nose does get oily, so I want to see how it combats that. And then for my chin, I'll use that as well. So only one side of my forehead and one side of my cheeks is the original, and then the rest is the hydrating. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but my nose is like sweating over here, and it's showing more on the dry side than it is the hydrating side. So this is something I wanted to show you guys. I can't really explain the science of it, but something I wanted to show you. So we are officially done. I'm just gonna give you face for a few seconds. Soft glam is just beautiful, and this is like practically, almost, possibly, maybe, I don't know if you're gonna consider it, a full face of e.l.f. minus foundation, powder. Not bad. But this is my face. Let me put some highlighter on my chesticles. Yes, you guys, I'm living for this face. Hurry up. Okay, now we're gonna go into my thoughts, okay? So I think we already know how I feel about, where's the damn thing, this concealer, the original 16-hour one. My personal opinion is this dries too quickly, okay? I know that's what it said in the comparison sheet, but when I initially bought it, I did not know how quick this was gonna dry, and if I knew, I wouldn't have bought it. This separates my foundation when I apply it, and if you don't blend it and set it quickly, it gives you kind of like, it creases, not gonna lie. This one, I just tested it out, but so far, compared to like what I said about this, it doesn't show it. It hasn't separated my foundation when I apply it. It doesn't dry quickly, which is good. So this is the side that it's on. And this is there's only this part where I guess it's unblended. That's what prevents the stuff I could have took. But yeah, like right now it's looking good. Again, I don't want to be biased because like I just applied it and everything, but so far, first impressions, this is winning. So far, first impressions are like, I don't know how many times I gotta repeat this, possibly, maybe. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, it's been 3 hours since I've worn the makeup, which is not a really long time, since it does claim, the hydrating one claims that it's all day, but I still wanted to make a few updates. So let's just take a closer look. I'm gonna zoom in on my face, like real up close and personal, and we'll see if there's any changes. This is my face. We're gonna close up on the under eye because that's where I mostly put it. So there is some under eye creasing, but that's normally where my creases fold, so it's not much of a big deal to me. But if it's for you, then that's something that you should worry about. In terms of shine, just around my nose is a little oily, but that's okay. Y'all, this is where I fucked up. I just realized I was not recording. So although I forgot to film this part, my overall opinion is still the same as it was post 3 hours of wearing the concealer. So I'm going to end this voiceover by saying 16-hour Camo Concealer. I don't know her. I've never heard of her. What is that? Is that a spice? Is that a condiment? Because the only concealer I know is the Hydrating Camo Concealer. And that's on period. If you've watched my videos before or follow me on social media, you would know my pure hatred of the 16-hour Camo Concealer. No offense to e.l.f. But the hydrating one just makes up for it. And I strongly suggest that you at least try it. If you did not like the dry original one, try getting the hydrating one. So that is it from me I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and comment. If you're not subscribed, you might as well subscribe now. You watched the whole video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.